Hello. Uh, Again, ito si Ariel. Mag-promote lang po tayo ng affiliate marketing. Ito. What is affiliate marketing? According to this article, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals or business known as affiliates earn a commission for promoting and generating sales or leads for another company's products or services. Sa madaling salita, ito ay mag-aahente ka, kikita ka na. So, yung produkto ng halimbawa Samsung, ng mga cellphone, ng mga kung ano-anong computer, kung ano-anong product na nabibili natin, affiliates po ang tawag doon. So, let's go. Series po ito.